Number 5 is Creality 3D Printer. Are you ready to unleash your creativity and embark on a thrilling 3D printing journey? Then the Creality CR-10 Smart Pro, the ultimate 3D printer under $2,000. With its all-new design and mind-blowing features, this printer will transport you to endless possibilities. Prepare to be amazed by the CR-10 Smart Pro's expansive build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters, allowing you to bring your wildest ideas to life on a grand scale. But that's not all. This printer takes monitoring to a whole new level with its real-time capabilities. Achieving top-notch performance is a breeze with the CR-10 Smart Pro. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, user-friendly features like CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling and the responsive 4.3-inch touchscreen make your printing experience smooth and hassle-free. Unleash your imagination, dive into the world of 3D printing, and experience the thrill of creating something extraordinary with the Creality CR-10 Smart Pro, the best 3D printer under $2,000. Get ready for endless fun, jaw-dropping results, and a new level of printing excellence. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer under $2,000. If you want to purchase any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.